You ready or what?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do this. You gonna pull the sled?
No.
Alright, ice fishing freaks, welcome back to another episode. Me and the Osho are back out here. Same lake I was at yesterday. And the bite was so good. I was like, well, after Laney's ball games today, grab the Osho and come on out. Hopefully he can get on some. He needs a good day of whacking them. Unfortunately, today is Saturday and there's a lot of people out here. Yesterday it was just me and one other guy. Today there's like 10 trucks. There's people pretty much right on where I was catching them, but it's a big bay. There's a lot of room there. I don't know if you guys know this about fish or not, but they swim. So I'm not scared. Anyways, we're gonna walk out there, drill some holes, and then what are we gonna do?
It's donkeys.
Punch some donkeys in the face. Stay tuned, folks. Donkey hunting starts right now. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the 4 holes I fished yesterday. So we're gonna fish near them. This one I'm just gonna reopen. Same holes yesterday. Alright, Osho's gonna start with a mud bug, colored bone bug. And that's what was tied on to his. That's what he had from last time. Fresh dip with some waxworm jelly. Drag good and loose. You're probably gonna want to back up.
I can't even see the vexor.
Well, back up. Here, put your. Okay, right about there probably. How's that?
Good.
Okay, can you see the vexor?
Yeah.
Sometimes just stop it and just shake it just really light like that. And then stop it. See? He's hitting it. A little bit. There you go.
That's a keeper.
That's a good one. That didn't take long, did it? Let's adjust your drag a little bit. That'll be 1 under 8. 20 a piece, but only 5 can be over 8 inches long, so that's a perfect one. Okay, there you go. Now you're on your own. I'm gonna fish, okay? See, there's more down there. He's right there on it. Remember how I said shake the tip a little and then stop it? That's when they'll hit it. They like it moving, but I found they like it when you just shake the tip, because then that bone bug really flutters. You see them down there? Well, they're all over down there. The big red marks. There he is.
Oh, that's a good one.
Real, let some line out.
A crappie.
That's a bluegill. We'll throw this one back. It's pretty little. Yeah. Good job though. There you go. Now you're on your own. I'll still unhook them for you if you need me to, but here's the bump board if you want to see how long they are. You've hooked up 3 times before I've even got my stuff out. Remember, you don't have to reel them in all the way. Let some out. There we go. Oh, he took your bait. This lake is on fire. Here you go. Here they come. I got a little too much line out. Ooh, there's one. Right away. Right away. We'll throw this dude back. He's probably just barely 7. But I want my fluke back, bud, if you don't mind. There's one. Yep. This one's digging good. Not too bad. Not really a good one, but it's a little bigger. He'll eat. There we go. Oh yeah. Owen. Nice. Double trouble. Owen's hooked up too. You need help? Ooh, here's a good one. This one will go in the bucket with. This one here's just over 7.5. He'll go in the bucket. Don't let so much line out. Yours is right at 8. There we are. Oh, giddy up. That feels good. Hit it like a Mack truck. You betcha. It's decent. It'll go in. There we go. It feels all right. Might have a decent one finally. Yeah. About time. Got about 15 dinks to get him. Alright, so that last bluegill took my ice fluke. I couldn't really get it out of his mouth. And I've caught probably 30 fish on that one, so he can have it. So I'm putting on my last minnow colored one. I'm going to have Scott send me some more. This one kind of got bent in the pack. I don't know how well it's going to perform, but it's the last one of that color, so we'll use it up. Looks like Owen's hooked up over there. Alright, so Osho just broke off, he says, on a humongous bluegill. Broke his jig off, and unfortunately he was using a 4mm Hulk frostbite jig, which I don't have any more of. I got one, so I'm gonna give him a 4mm schnozberry. That way I can order more of those, because they still make that one. But the only reason I'm going 4mm with him, I use 3, is because I think it's a little easier for him to use, because it'll fall faster. He can control it better and see it better on the flasher. So baby steps to using the good stuff like Dad. Jeez Louise. Barely keep it down there in the bottom. They come and get it. That's a good one. That'll eat there. Chunky little dude. Chunky 7.5. Alright, we got Owie back on a mud bug colored bait. Oh geez. Put him on a mud bug fluke and he drops down and hooks up on a perch. Oh, alright, I'm coming. You have to learn to take them off yourself. That's not a bad perch either. Here. What do you got? Oh yeah.
I'll go measure him.
That's a dandy. We'll put him on the yellow board. Put his nose up to the wall. Yep, and then straighten his tail out. His nose has to touch the wall. Yep, and straighten his tail out. Look, he's barely ate. Perfect. So he can actually go in here. Give him some. Pull up. There you go. Pull straight up. Up, up, up. Perch. Here. Up. Hold up. No. Probably about 9, just like the last one. Nice job. All right. I don't know, he's right there on it.
Yeah, you did have
There you go. You want to go back to your pole?
Yeah.
Huh?
Smell good.
It's called waxworm jelly.
I know, but it's only good in drink.
Smells good to the fish.
What about 2 humans?
Uh-oh. Smell it. There we go. I don't know. I don't think so, but he's running. He's digging good. Yeah. Not a bad one.
I'll measure it.
Right in the bucket. I don't think you have to measure it. I don't think it's over 8. I'm telling you guys, I am a believer in this waxworm jelly. I'm also a believer, and I hate ice fishing in the wind.
You were so close. He's 7.5.
7.5. There we go. That one feels okay. He's digging good. Yeah. That'll do. Jeez. The king of dropping them. Nice one there. There he is. Pulling good too. Bass. Put him hooked right in the corner. That's why it felt decent. See ya, buddy. There he is. And a partridge in a pear tree. He'll eat. A little shorty, but he's chunky. Got good shoulders on him. Oofka. See how hard he hit it? It's a good fish if you want to pull the Vexlar out. Just pull it straight out. Good job. Perch.
Yeah, a really good fish. A really good fish. I'll measure him.
He's not.
I want to measure him though.
You can measure him, but you're going to make sure you're careful when you throw him back.
Yeah.
Oh, he took my bait. That was the last one I had of those. There we go. Another bass. King of the bass today. That's like 5. 5 bass. And we've probably caught 7 or 8 perch too. There's one. That one might be a keeper. Owen, go pull that out. It's a lot of weight there.
A lot of weight?
Yeah. It actually might not be a bluegill. Hurry up, it's getting tangled up. It's probably not a bluegill. This is probably a bass. Whoop!
Keep that.
You betcha. That was fun.
You ate it?
Oh, I got it. You ready to go home?
Yeah.
Why?
Cold. Hungry.
That's a wrap, folks. Me and Owen are just packing up. We're gonna head back home. The bite was a lot different out here today. It was still a good bite. There's a lot of fish out here, and they're biting like crazy, pretty much non-stop. But we didn't get the big ones today, not like I did yesterday. We ended up with 18 keepers, which is decent. 2 shy of a limit. Obviously, probably get it if we stuck it out a little longer, but I did not bring my gloves, and my fingers are freezing. Owen's cold. It's really cooling off. It was 23 degrees when we got here at 2 o'clock, and it's just a little after 4, and it's down in the single digits, and it's cold. So key bait today was the ice fluke again. They were really hammering the minnow color, which I ran out of, and the mudbug color. Owen caught, let's see, you were catching yours on a bone bug, and then I put an ant on there for you. Then you broke off on a giant. I don't think I got it on film, but he's screaming that it was a huge bluegill. It would barely fit through the hole, and then it snapped his line. Lost the jig and all. So caught a lot of bass today. That was pretty cool. A couple actually halfway decent bass for a jig rod in the 12-13 inch range. Some crappie, some perch. This was a fun day. I guess I just wanted to get Owen out here, get him on some fish. He caught a couple on the shocker rod. I think it's going to be a little bit before he uses that thing. Anyways, folks, if you have not yet subscribed to Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors, go ahead and do that right now. Hit the bell so you get notified every time we put out a video. Clobber that thumbs up. Luke and Owen signing off. Always remember,
You're never too fat to fish.
hit it.